Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Pionex. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you'll want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in pionex.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website of the Pionex crypto trading platform. Now, in order to create a new account, just click on the sign up button at the top right section. Now you can either sign up using your phone or your email address. Just select whichever option is suitable for you, and then you can fill up your email address or your phone number, followed by your password and your referral code, which is optional. You can also sign up with a shortcut by using Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Apple. So let's just click on Sign Up with Google to continue signing in with our existing Google account. Just select your account and then click on Confirm. Now you will be asked to enter a referral code, which is optional. So you can simply click on the next button without entering a referral code if you don't have one. You will now be told that you have signed up successfully. You will also receive a pop-up which tells you to verify your identity. You can click on Verify to continue with identity verification, or you can click on the Cancel button to skip this for now. And there you have it. Now you are signed up to Pionex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.